Lady Jane, oh, jeez. That looks like it hurts.
Oh, it does.
Do you want me to get the first aid kit?
No, I don't.
Do you want me to get Bartholomew?
No. Though we will have words later.
Yes, Lady Jane.
Chuck, what are you doing here? Oh, and me without my gloves, the impropriety.
Lady Jane, I just wanted to stop by to see how you were doing.
I've been better.
What I mean is how you're doing in general, you know?
I have been quite well, Upchuck. Quite fine and dandy. You seem to be doing quite well for yourself.
Oh, thanks. Did you see that match last week?
I did.
Oh, that was incredible.
Yes, you fought quite valiantly against Metatron, thus pinning him.
Thanks. Oh, he's a fierce wrestler, that one. Such fighting spirit.
Yes. And I will say, though we do not see eye to eye, that Stitic also fought quite bravely, pinning 3 members of the Prophecy.
He's incredible, right? Like a real-life superhero. An inspiration to us all.
Sure. Well, you seem to be well on your way.
Thanks. Ever since I joined the League of Extraordinary Wrestlers, I can feel so much opportunity develop just before my eyes.
Opportunity. Opportunity. Upchuck? I have an idea. How about this for an opportunity? You and me, tonight, in the ring, to fight for the What League Championship.
What? You would do that?
It's only fair.
Wow. Oh, this is amazing. I've never had such opportunity before. A chance at the What League Championship. Oh, but Lady Jane, just to let you know, just because we're friends, we are still friends, right?
Yes, Upchuck, we are still friends.
Well, good. Because just because we're friends doesn't mean I'm gonna go easy on you.
I won't go easy on you either.
Well, great. Because I'm gonna bring 100% to today's match.
As will I.
Sawdust Gentry was one of the greatest tag teams in all of the What League history. And I want that greatness reflected in tonight's championship match.
Twill, Upchuck. Twill.
Well, good.
So, you accept?
I do.
Good. Best of luck to you, Upchuck.
I'll see you in the ring.
Upchuck? Before you go. For sportsmanship.
For sportsmanship. Tink.
Well then, I must tend to my hand.
And I gotta gear up.